Hi guys, do you want to talk in English? If you want to talk in English, let's talk about perishable. Perish is a verb. The definition of perish is to die, especially in a sudden, violent way. Do you want an example? My example is coming for you. For example, if you don't feed your animals, they'll perish soon. Perishable. It's an adjective. The definition of it is likely to decay or go back quickly. For example, milk is perishable because if you don't keep milk in the fridge, it can spoil quickly or it can go back quickly. It means it is perishable. See ya. Thank you very much.